Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Photorealistic, modern stone cabin nestled in a dark evergreen forest at twilight, warm golden light emanating from windows, showcasing interior light, large panoramic windows, contemporary architecture, layered stone exterior with rough texture, dark gray/brown stone, dark wood accents on the roof and exterior, large rocks and vegetation in foreground and midground. Focus on the structure and ambient lighting, depth of field, slightly muted greens and browns, tranquil atmosphere, low angle shot. Autumnal, modern cabin, nestled in a forest, hyper-realistic, open-plan living area, large windows overlooking a wooded landscape, stone exterior walls, dark brown wooden beams and roofline, warm brown and beige tones, fallen leaves on the ground, golden hour lighting, low soft light, large glass sliding doors, stone patio, natural textures, trees with autumn foliage, peaceful, tranquil scene. Detailed architectural elements, simple geometric shapes, light gray sky with hints of white. Clouds, soft muted color palette, wooden log on the ground. Hyper-realistic, rustic stone cabin, desert landscape, sun-drenched, large panoramic windows, exterior stone walls, warm brown and beige tones, wooden beams and railing, solar panels on roof, dry scrub desert, cacti and sparse desert vegetation, natural stone pathway leading to steps and entryway, modern interior visible through windows, muted, neutral interior colors, clear blue sky, outdoor patio furniture, strong natural light, sense of peace and serenity, minimalist. Architecture, arid climate, detailed texture of stone and wood, low contrast shadows, slight depth of field, photorealistic, high resolution. Photorealistic, dramatic lighting, moss-covered volcanic landscape, modern minimalist cabin with large glass walls, dark gray stone exterior, rough textured stone, layered stone facade, dark gray concrete platform, green moss and grass, dark gray volcanic rocks, muted cloudy sky, mountainous backdrop, Icelandic, high elevation, impressionistic, viewpoint overlooking landscape, detailed textures, shallow depth of field. Focus on cabin, vibrant yellow-green moss, overcast day. Subtle shadows, realism. Close-up, impressionistic, exterior stone wall, various shades of gray and muted brown stone, unevenly sized and shaped stones, detailed texture, dark recessed window with light filtering through, subtly curved window frame, warm autumnal colored leaves and branches visible in the background, natural light, warm golden sunlight, soft shadows, muted colors, architectural detail, organic modern house, stone veneer, shallow depth of field, focus on the stonework, hyper-realistic texture. Slightly gritty look. Photorealistic, sunlit pathway, stone walls, light beige and terracotta-colored stone, arched windows, dark gray shutters, lush green garden and shrubbery, terraced garden beds, low-lying plants and flowers, Mediterranean-style architecture, a long walkway, warm sunny day, soft shadows, detailed texture of stone and plants, impressionist, perspective leading away from the viewer, high resolution, vibrant colors, outdoor scene, carefully arranged plants, detailed stonework, depth of field, clear sky, no harsh shadows, photo, natural light. Night exterior of a stone building, warm golden lighting highlighting the rough textured stone facade and wooden beams, hyperrealistic style, asymmetrical design, modernist architecture, low angle view, wood beams supporting a sloping roof, dark blue night sky, visible trees and foliage around the building. Pine trees are noticeable in the background. Ground is dark and possibly covered in dirt or gravel. Subtle interplay of light and dark, rich browns and grays in the stonework, warm golden light from inside, soft focus on the foreground, natural setting, impressionistic soft focus on foliage elements, detailed stonework, long exposure to show depth of field, focus on ambience of the night. Modern minimalist house, contemporary architectural design, stone facade with a mix of rough and smooth textures, gray and brown stones, concrete structure with visible formwork, large windows with lowy glass, dark wooden shutters, outdoor terrace with glass railings, sunlit exterior, lush green lawn and trees in the background, mountainous landscape in the backdrop, warm daylight, photorealistic, high-angle view, impressionistic aesthetic, focus on lines and forms, detailed stonework, natural light, calm and serene atmosphere, neutral color palette, well-proportioned building, clear view of the home structure and patio. Contemporary, minimalist, white modern house perched on a rugged cliff overlooking a calm ocean, hyper-realistic, dramatic lighting, soft light reflecting on the water, muted blues and grays in the ocean, light beige and browns in the cliff stone, detailed stonework of cliff, low angle shot, wide shot, ocean waves gently breaking, a minimalist balcony extending from the house, panoramic view, clear sky with soft, hazy clouds, natural light, detailed textures of stone and water, sharp focus on the cliff and house, slightly overcast sky. Hyper-realistic, stunning modern stone home overlooking a river at twilight, large windows showcasing the interior lights, rustic stone facade with warm beige and brown tones, dark metal accents on windows and railings, lush green trees and landscaping surrounding the home, multiple levels and balconies, outdoor living space with patio furniture and soft ambient lighting, river visible in the background, sunlight casting a warm golden hue, focus on sophisticated luxury, detailed stonework, fine architectural photography, epic landscape, high quality, detailed, dramatic lighting. Photorealistic, stunning, impressionistic sunset view of a modern rustic stone villa perched on a hilltop overlooking a valley. Large, infinity-edge pool reflecting the warm sunset colors in the foreground. Gray, tan, and terracotta stone exterior walls of the villa. Trees and lush greenery surrounding the property. Warm golden, orange, and peach sunset hues. Outdoor living area with lounge chairs and tables next to the pool. Modern minimalist design, high quality, detailed, dramatic lighting, mountainous landscape, calm water, wide shot. Photorealistic modern desert house exterior, contemporary, sleek dark gray metal accents, large glass windows, layered stone facade with warm brown and gray tones, desert landscaping with cacti, succulents, and rocks, sunlit, warm natural light, Arizona desert setting, modern architecture, minimalistic design, wide driveway, top-down perspective, impressive scale, detailed textures, high contrast, vibrant colors, clear skies, precise shadows, sunlight casting soft shadows. Photorealistic, stunning mountaintop estate, large modern log cabin style house with stone accents, dark gray/brown wood and stone exterior, glass panels, warm interior lighting visible within, large outdoor pool area with fire pit and lounge seating, lush greenery, rocky hillside terrain, golden hour sunset sky with dramatic clouds, smoky blue and purple hues, mountain view stretching out in the background, gentle slope leading down to the pool area, lighting highlighting the landscape features, high-angle view, impressionistic details, detailed foliage, ambient light, realistic textures of stone, wood and water, no shadows, wide shot, high resolution. Photorealistic, modern minimalist cabin, stone exterior walls, large glass sliding doors, natural light, wooden beams and panels, concrete patio, olive trees, mountain backdrop, warm neutral colors, beige, brown, gray, rustic chic, interior view through glass, fireplace visible inside, living room furniture, simple architecture, contemporary design, open floor plan, sunlight streaming in. Carefully landscaped garden, elevated perspective, high-quality image, detailed, sharp. Focus, midday lighting, exterior scene, no shadows, high resolution.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.